That's dog baby, yeah. And you know? Dog. I'll find out now.
Close the door. Come on, close the door.
Where is John?
It's in the bathroom.
Oh, okay.
That's...
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Don't cut our head.
Yes, sir.
I don't know who you're talking. Okay. Are anxious about this reconciliation meeting, cognizance of the fact that they are fed up with the APC governance at the federal level and want the PDP to take over. And this meeting is key. So can we hear the outcome of the meeting?
Yes, we are aware of that. Nigerians are anxious and waiting for us to take over government in 2023. We have met as leaders, members of the same political family, and we have open discussion, work in progress, and we will continue.
So what should Nigerians expect from this committee as regards this reconciliation, and what is your advice?
At the end of the day, we will broker peace and we will unify the party and Nigerians.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Same question.
Yeah, there is no question about the fact that we have agreed that there is need for us to enhance unity within our party. This is a reconciliatory process. There are some issues out there which needs further deliberation. Then we'll meet again. It's a continuous process.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I just stay with synonymous with everything right now.